Hello, students. Welcome again to EDU120 Educational Technology. I just wanted to do a quick run through of how you should navigate through the course, through the different modules, and what you can expect from Blackboard. Hopefully this will help you as you get started this first week. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. First of all, I wanted to show you how you can quickly get into Blackboard. You can do that right from the main website page. It's just owens.edu, and Blackboard is right on the main menu there. So if you click Blackboard, it will require you to log in. There'll be a login screen. I'm already logged in, so that's why it skipped it for me. But it'll just ask you for your username and password. And if you're not sure what that is, I urge you to contact the help desk and make sure that you set up your Ozone account. You can also get in through the Ozone portal, the student portal, but you can get in directly here as well. Once you get in, what you'll see is your Blackboard face page. And that includes, should be your name over here and your courses. So as an instructor, I have a lot of courses, but I wanted to show you what it would look like if you were in a student. So I'm in student preview mode. And this is what you may come to, or it may look like this. So you can change between the pictures or just the listing. And again, the picture really doesn't matter. We change the pictures all the time. So anyways, whichever way that you are viewing it, you can get in by simply clicking, and it will open up to, let me put it back into preview mode so you can see what a student sees. When you open it up, your course should look something like this, especially for the first week. Only 1 week is turned on generally. You'll see my picture as your instructor, and you can see the course description. You can see Blackboard Collaborate, any announcements that are here. But what you'll see is course content. The start here is very important, especially the first time through. You'll want to go through and look at each of these items. I know it seems like a lot, but each item will have specific information on dealing with the course. There's a welcome from me. There's also the syllabus, which has the syllabus itself and then the assignment calendar. And you simply just click on each and you can open up each document. So I can download the file, click down here, and it will open it up. And here's the syllabus. So I can click out of that, click the X to go back, and same thing with the assignment calendar. So the assignment calendar will list each individual assignment and the points associated with it, along with the due dates. The syllabus just has the total points per week in it. There's also netiquette rules, how to navigate and get around what we call Blackboard Ultra. There's a video about that as well, some resources that you can access, a quick tutorial to get you orientated to a Blackboard, information about your computer and setting it up. One big thing is to ensure that you have the correct browser. If you're using Safari, that's not really a good browser for Blackboard. You want to use Google Chrome or Firefox, definitely not Microsoft. You also have access as a student to free Office 360 apps. So that would be Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of that through here. There's some other media that you can take a look at, and so on. So I urge you to take a look at the Start Here button. Also, what you want to do is, my course is set up by weeks. So this particular course example is set up by week with the dates. And if you click on it, you will find all the pieces that you need to get started. In week 1, I do have a before we get started video. I have generally every week will have the objectives that you can click on. So you can see what we'll be learning this week. Then there's always a module. And the module is a little bit different. The module is done in a different platform and then put into Blackboard. So you may get this launch, this weird word, and then pop-up block. You can ignore all of that. You'll just want to click this button that says Launch Course. And when you launch the course, you'll get the week module. So down here, you can see all the different lessons that are involved within the module. And you can simply say, Start Course. It will track your progress over here through the course. And the course module itself has a definite structure. There'll be an introduction, learning objectives, and then different lessons within the module, a summary, an assessment page, and then references. There's also an exit button at the top, which will take you back to Blackboard. So if you click the exit, it'll take you back to Blackboard. You can click out, and then if you need to get back in, it will simply launch it again. So you'll have an introduction, you'll have learning objectives, and you can use the continue button to move to the next set in the module, or you can also click it over here. So again, you can see the progress over here. The introduction, you need to be able to scroll all the way down to show that it's been completed. And you can see as I scroll, it fills in the box. And when I'm done, it'll put a check mark in here. As you go through the module, there will be different activities that you can work on. And items pop up as you move down the page. There'll be some videos and so on. There will always be a summary, so make sure that you do read the summary and any type of interactive activity in here. And then the important piece is the assessment page, which will go back over the objectives, and then it'll provide instructions. So there'll be the due dates listed here as well, and you can use the interactive boxes to make sure that you get everything done. So here's the first week we'll have a discussion board, and you need to post your original post by the Wednesday of the week. And then there's other items that you can click off as you get them done. There's a syllabus quiz, technology assessment. So there'll be some links to other areas. And anytime that there are instructions that you can download, you'll see them in this type of a box. And then you can simply click download and then open at the bottom here. And it'll also have a section called grading, so you can see what points are available for the week. And then an alignment map. This is really important. It's so you understand why we are doing the assignments we are doing and how we are meeting each of the objectives, whether it's module level, student level, or course level objectives for the week. So you can click. And then to be a good citizen, I do all the references in one page. If I take any kind of quotes or pictures or anything like that. When I'm done, I just simply exit the course at the very top, click X, and then I can move on to the next item. The next item is the Dropbox. So not only do you have generally, before we get started will only be week 1, but you will have objectives, modules, and then the assignment and submission drop boxes. What you'll see are the assignments for this week. So there is a discussion board, which you can click on. You can read the discussion topic and then submit your response. You can also see all the different participants. You can reply to them as they start posting. Whether there's a survey or a blog post or whatever we're doing for the week. For example, we will be doing a lot of posting to a portfolio that we will be creating in Google Sites. So a lot of what we're going to do is we'll create something and then we'll post it to our portfolio, and we'll just paste the link to our portfolio into our submission box. So when you click on the assignment, what you'll see is the due date. You'll see how many attempts you have to submit it. You'll see the points, and then you'll see any kind of a description that might be there that's in addition to what we have already. You can also view the assessment. So here is where I give you a repeat of the assignment that was in the module and a little bit more information. And then here is where you will paste the link to, in this case, your blog. In other cases, it might be your Google portfolio link. And you'll just simply paste in here. You can type this is where you will submit your assignment link. Once you're done, you just go down to the bottom right and you submit. It asks you, are you ready? Because you can't edit, and then you submit it. It gives you a confirmation, and it'll also email you a confirmation. You can download that confirmation, or you just have your text. That's fine too. Once you've submitted it, and once I have a chance to grade it, you can go back in and view your submission. It'll also show you my feedback and your grade. Of course, this isn't graded right now. Another way that you can look at feedback is up here where you have content, your calendar. That's where you can see all the assignments and when they're due, all your discussion boards, your grade book. So here's all of the assignments that you can see at the moment. And you can see any feedback. So any messages that have been posted will be here. So that is a quick rundown of how to look at your course. And I want to reiterate, I go ahead and stop sharing my screen. So I want to reiterate that it's very, very important that you follow the kind of routine that we've set up, which is try to get your module done by Wednesday, try to review the material. And it is important that you go through each and every piece of the module. It will supplement your book. So it's good to read the chapters, but I would go through the module, and then the book will supplement what you've already read. In general, it's good to have a little bit of a plan. By Wednesday, have the module done, and then you can go ahead and work on the assignments, which generally are due by Sunday at 11:59. The next module will open up the following morning, and you can get a start on the module then on Monday morning. If you have any questions, if you feeling stressed, you get overwhelmed, I can't tell you enough how important it is to just please come talk to me. All my contact information is on the syllabus. I'm happy to Zoom with you. I'm happy to call you on the phone, text, whatever's easiest for you. The modules are going to be challenging, and that's the point of it. In some cases, we provided extra challenge. So some people might be a little better at one assignment and not the other. So I've provided some challenges as well. In any case, I hope that you enjoy this little tour. I hope you enjoy the course. As always, contact me if you have any questions, and good luck. Have fun.